Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn Python program to find the factorial of a given number. In this program, the main objective is to identify the factorial number and display the value. If you are having the knowledge of Python if else statement, how to write, and the functionality and for loop, with these two we are using to write this program. The factorial of a number is the product of all the integers from 1 to that number. For example, the factorial of 6 denoted as 6 the mark of exclamatory reverse factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, that equal to 720. Factorial is not defined for negative numbers, and the factorial of 0 is, so 0 factorial represents that is equal to 1. Now see how to write a factorial program in Python. See here, the num equal to 5 have given declared over here, and the factorial equal to 1. Now the statement of if condition is started. We check whether it is a negative number or positive or 0. If number less than 0, sorry, the factorial does not exist for negative numbers, we are printing over here. And if number is equal to 0, the factorial of 0 is always 1. Straight away we have taken that statement and printing. Else, this is the if, elif and else. This is the ladder of if else. As you know that if else statements, the other languages like C#, Java and PHP, what they speak about the if else, the similarly in Python it is if, elif, else. If these two statements are not satisfied with respective conditions, it comes to join over here an else condition. The for loop is initiates over here I in range 1 num plus 1. The num here it is the declaration of 5 plus 1. The factorial, the value which is already declared over here, that is a 1, equal to factorial into 1. This is the factorial into again 1. Now the iterations, once what we have given a number in 5, hence it will iterates the number of satisfaction number for and it will iterates and shows the result in the factorial of num is the factorial. The num is the factorial, hence see the output. We have chosen 5 as for factorial number. The factorial of 5 is 120. Let's see 6. We discussed in an example over here. For the 6 it's a 720. Let's see and execute. The factorial of 6 is 720. If you want to execute more, comment this line and uncomment here, and it will take appropriate user inputs. You enter some numbers and check the factorial of that number. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and like, comment. If any further discussions you want with us, comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.